Hi, this is Teddy. I got to ask this question. If I log on or log off of LinkedIn, will people know that I'm doing that? And the standard answer from most people is no, but that's not the correct answer. I'm going to show you the correct answer in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content for you. Yes, by default, your LinkedIn profile could very well be set up so that nobody knows when you were on it or when you were off it. But there is a feature that could be set up if you set it up that way, and I don't think it's the default, that would alert people when you are or are not either live on a computer on a web browser looking at LinkedIn, or you have LinkedIn notifications turned on your mobile device. Let me show you what I'm talking about, and then I'm going to show you how it works. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go to Settings. In Settings, I'm going to go to Visibility, and then right here, Manage Active Status. If I click on Manage Active Status, it says that who can see that you are currently active while you're using LinkedIn? No one, only my first level connections, or everyone on LinkedIn. I have it set for everyone on LinkedIn. Now, because of this, there's also another feature that it doesn't mention here. And so I'll show you how this works. Give me 1 second to go set that up. Let me go look at Megan, my friend Megan Jueli. Here she is, right? Megan Jueli. I'm going to go, look, it's got the green dot. See that green dot? I go to her profile. That green dot right there means that she is on her computer, logged into LinkedIn on a web browser. And I know for a fact it is because I have a window into her computer from here, and I can see that she's on LinkedIn right now. Let me show you another one. Here's another one. Watch this. At Mr. NC Wiseman. No green dot, no picture either. Click on his profile, no picture, no green dot. But watch this. I'm going to put this, I'm going to go set this up on his computer. Give me 1 second. Now he's logging in right now. Let's see what happens. He just logged into his computer. Let me just run this for a little bit. Hang tight, I'll show it to you. It's 2:56. It took 1 minute, but it just alerted me that he is on his computer looking at his web browser. So pretty useful tool if you want to be that transparent to let either your LinkedIn network or all LinkedIn members know that you are active on LinkedIn at this time. That for me is very useful. I can go over here to my messaging, and I can see on messaging that Lisa's up and running on LinkedIn. Remember I told you about the dot? Look here, Vicky, I got the dot. That only tells me she's not on LinkedIn right now, but she has her mobile device set up to alert her when she gets a message. Same thing with Rakana, and same thing with Rena. So these are very useful tools if you're seriously using LinkedIn as a business tool. But again, maybe you don't want to be that transparent. So you may want to go back to the settings and turn that off or only make it available to your first level network. The bottom line is the simple answer that nobody knows that you're on or you're not on, that is no longer true if you're using this active status feature built in to LinkedIn. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.